A backpack, iPhone, keyboard, a jetpack. Well, maybe not a jetpack. But hey, you use these things every day. Lots of ordinary objects have secret features that unlock their full potential. Yeah, even toothpicks. Number 1. A drawer under the oven. It's simple. You need it to store all those pots and pans. Maybe, but it wasn't this drawer's original purpose. You can use this place to keep your food warm while something else is being prepared in the oven. 2. Wooden hangers. They might look more stylish and sturdy than metal or plastic ones, but it's not all about looks. The very first wooden hangers were made from cedar, which is an effective natural insect repellent. The smell scared off moths and saved clothes. 3. Fabric patches. Some pieces of clothing come with a small patch of fabric with a button on it. While it's quite obvious how to use the button, the fabric's purpose isn't so apparent. Is it to patch holes? Then why is it so small? Well, you're supposed to test your cleaning products on it. Then, if something goes wrong, you won't ruin the whole garment. 4. Diamond slits on backpacks. These diamonds were originally placed only on traveler backpacks and were designed to carry ropes. Now you can find such slits on pretty much every backpack. Why not use them to carry a bottle of water, an umbrella, or a pair of sneakers? 5. A hole in the elevator door. This seemingly random diamond-sized hole is actually a keyhole. If the elevator doors get stuck, an operator can open them manually by inserting a special key in this hole. The same tool is used when an elevator needs routine maintenance. 6. A dent in the milk container. Some plastic milk containers have dents in their sides that can serve several purposes. For one, if milk spoils, this process can cause swelling and high pressure buildup inside the container. That's when the dent comes in handy. It pops out and doesn't let the jug blow up. Plus, if you decide to freeze the milk, it'll expand like any other liquid, and then the indentation will pop out and prevent the container from bursting inside the freezer. 7. Removable headrests. Even though it wasn't its original role, a removable headrest can turn into a crucial survival tool. Being trapped in a car, you can use the headrest's metal prods to break the window and get out. 8. Applesauce lids. Ever been stranded with a pack of applesauce, but no spoon in hand? If I had a nickel. Then you probably don't know that each snack pack already has a built-in spoon. Several twists of foil lid and there you go. 9. Bread tags. Colorful plastic tags on bags of bread indicate when the loaf was baked. The color code is the following: Monday, a blue tag; Tuesday, green; Thursday, red; Friday, white; and on Saturday, you can buy fresh bread with a yellow tag. Apparently, they don't bake bread on Wednesday. That's so they can loaf around. 10. Grooves on keyboards. Palpable lines on the F and J keys help those who type without looking at the keyboard to position their hands correctly. You place your right and left index fingers on the grooves and immediately understand where your other fingers should go, none of which should be up your nose. 11. Rings in zippers. Ever paid attention to those outer rings in zipper sliders, especially when two sliders are used together? These rings are added so that you can connect the sliders with a lock and keep sticky fingers away. 12. Chinese takeaway boxes. A first-timer might think that Chinese takeaway boxes have a peculiar shape. Most experienced diners know that by unfolding the sides of these containers, you get a paper plate with the food already sitting on top. 13. Tricolor toothpaste. Lots of toothpastes have blue, red, and white stripes. Such coloring isn't mere aesthetics, all the stripes have their own ingredients and purposes. The blue one contains antimicrobial elements and has a breath-freshening effect. The red one includes some ingredients crucial for healthy gums. And the white, most valuable stripe, removes plaque and whitens the teeth. 14. Little studs on jeans. Hey, that was my gang in middle school. You know, the first jeans had one problem. Workers and miners, who were the original jeans wearers, put so much stress on their denim pants that its seams couldn't withstand the pressure and tore. Tiny metal studs were invented to prevent this from happening. 15. Utility knife. This instrument is supposed to last way longer than most people think. Take a good look at the knife's blade, and you'll notice that it's made of narrow, parallel sections. When your knife gets blunt, break off the top section with the cap you find at the bottom. Voila! You have a brand new sharp blade again. Just don't forget to put some safety gloves and goggles on first. 16. A slot near the iPhone camera. Not every iPhone owner pays attention to an almost unnoticeable little hole between the camera and the flash. It's the gadget's second microphone. Its role is to block outside noises when you're filming a video. This microphone also makes the sound clearer. Use it when you're on the phone in a noisy place. 17. Ketchup cups. If you ever use those flimsy, ribbed ketchup containers they have at fast food restaurants, you probably wondered why they don't make them a bit bigger. What most people don't know, though, is that those ribs should be pulled outward. Thanks to this trick, the container can house way more sauce. 18. Dental floss. This dental hygiene must-have can slip out of your fingers and tangle. To avoid such problems, tear off a piece of floss and tie its two ends together. It'll be much easier to use and won't hurt your hands. 19. Shirt loops. If you don't have a hanger nearby, inspect your shirt for a small loop on the back. If there is one, you can use it to hang your shirt on a locker peg and it won't crease. 20. A hole in the skillet handle. Most frying pans have holes in their handles. No, it's not for hanging the thing on the wall, although that's also a convenient option. When you're cooking something in the pan, the hole in the handle is there to hold your messy spoon or spatula. It's especially important for plastic utensils because you can't leave them in the pan for too long since, they can melt. 21. Toothpicks. If you see a toothpick with several grooves on the blunt end, it doesn't mean someone used it before you. When you need to use one, break off the grooved end and put it on the table. It'll serve as a rest to keep your toothpick from touching the surface. 22. Soft drink lid. You've probably noticed that most soft drink lids have ridges and 3 bumps on them. With their help, the lid can turn into a coaster once you put it on the table and place the cup on top of it. No more spillage. 23. Soda can tab. Almost all soda can tabs have a hole in the middle, and it has nothing to do with opening the thing. It was designed to be a holder for your straw. This way, you don't have to worry about your straw floating up and poking you in the eye. So hey, did you learn something new today? Then give the video a like and share it with a friend. And here are some other videos I think you'll enjoy. Just click to the left or right, and remember, stay on the bright side of life.